funny. Sometimes this happens, I have this sickness called funny sickness. It's like, I wake up in the morning and oh my god, today I'm funny. Okay, so this is the correction.
Sir, what is your channel name?
Sir, channel name is
Oh my god. So my channel name is Shailesh Shrestha.
You can say the name.
My channel name is Shailesh Shrestha.
Send me the link.
I always send you the link.
When I saw you, there are so many.
Either 9 number correction to the Adi Matas
As a so this is the correction of 9 number, everyone. You can watch this video if you don't have it. Yes. No पढ़ो.
Sir, के channel का नाम क्या हो भन्नु त एकचोटी?
Shailesh Shrestha. Don't search for the channel. I will send you the link अनि त्यो लिंक बाटै जाँदा सजिलो हुन्छ. Channel search गरेर मैले खोजेको नि.
Sir, एकचोटी spelling भन्नु.
When I saw it, there were so many.
Sir, spelling भन्नु न.
It's on the screen. It's on the screen.
Sir, yes, I saw this. There were so many.
Okay, today we are going to start a new lesson. Okay, everyone now mute. We are going to start a new lesson. Enough discussion, enough everything. So now we'll get serious and we'll get on with our work. Okay? Get on with our work, yo. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to stop sharing. New lesson. What do you guess? Guess. What is the name of our new lesson? It's not grammar. It's not from the book. Now guess.
Our new lesson is Bad Master.
Bad Master is from book, so it's not the correct answer. Afsos, it's not correct. अगला प्रश्न.
Grammar.
के लिए. What is your next chapter?
Grammar.
Grammar. Correct. Afsos.
Sir, I know. Sir,
No, it's not from the book. I repeat, not from the book.
Sir, no,
It's not from the book, Nimesh. It's not from the book.
Sir, I read that.
Sir, where is the screen?
Wait. I'm just searching the thing that I want to teach you today. So it's taking some time. Okay, it's here.
I can't take a full math class because my laptop is hotting.
Hotting. It's not
math class
like hotting. Okay, when I search, mute. I want to stop with you guys like serious man to man. Mute.
Why you feel
Everyone mute. No, Agaman, no, not
why
mute. Okay, so what I want to say is we have a meeting, right? Every Sunday we have a meeting. So not every Sunday, every first Sunday we have teachers meeting. On this teachers meeting, we found out there are so many students who are not performing good, both from class 4 and class 5. And I know things have changed, right? Right now it's a different situation. You are not with your friends. You're not in class. I cannot look what you're doing. I can just look in your video. And if you turn on the video, that is. So these things, teachers, and there are very limited things that we can do. And some people are not joining the class. Even some people are joining the class. They are not there. So I know you have problems, right? If you have problems, you can tell me. I can listen to your problem. I can help you. So if there is something happening with you guys that I can help you with, please let me know or let other teachers know. We want to help. If you're not doing your work, we want to make it easy. If it is too difficult for you to join online class and other things, we want to make it easy for you. And, if there is something that you want to tell us, there is some problem that you're having at home, and we might talk with your parents and ease that problem. So if there is something happening like that, we are here for you. So that's what I want to say. If you cannot say it in class, you can text me in Messenger. We can talk there. and sort out the problems. So I just want to say there are many things that is happening right now, right? So many people will have a bad result, good result. So whatever happens because of this situation, I just want to let you guys know that you guys are doing amazing. I really appreciate your effort that you come to my class every day. And those who cannot come, they are also trying to come, every day. They even though the mic is not working, sometimes the video is very slow, the net has problem, many people are still trying to come to my class. I really appreciate.
Sir, I am sir, त्यो Zoom एपमा कहिले पासवर्ड करेक्ट हाल्दा नि मिल्दैन अनि अपडेट गरेर ल्यापटप फेरि Zoom एप खोलेर त्यही नम्बर प्लेट हाले मात्रै हो.
I know. That happens to me too. Yes, that happens to me too. Even my net is slow sometimes. In 2-3 times get disconnected. So I know the trouble. You don't need to tell me about it. I know the problems. I'm just saying, thank you to all of you, because even though after all those problems, you come to my class, you join my class, and if there is anything that I can help you with, so I'm using this YouTube channel thing to let you guys have your lessons. Even if you're not in class, you can go to the YouTube channel and watch my video. Some people have not given exams. I know, Onir, you haven't given English and math exam. Your result is on this Saturday or Friday. So I want you to get tokens, Onir. I have videos in YouTube where I have put all the works that I've given you in first term for both math and English. Do some work, get 16 token. I will let you give your exam. And those people who haven't sent me their complete exam, you can send me, you can do it now. I've already sent you the question paper in your messenger. You can do it now and send me the answer. I will consider it. So I'm just going to say, if there is any problem, let me know. If you're silent there is a problem, you are not joining class and you're not telling me, and I don't know what is happening, with this gap will just increase and the problem will not be solved. So I want you to come out and tell me what is happening, so that I will think of what can be done and how to make it easy for you to join the class and do your work, get your tokens. So that's what I wanted to say. I was trying to say this from 2-3 class back, but today I got the opportunity. I just remembered and I had said it. So if there is any problem, let me know. If you cannot do it in class, I understand. You can do it in Messenger. You can let me know any other way. So I will. And I once again thank you all for trying and being in this class. I know it's not easy for you guys. No friends at home and you're staying at home all day. So I know it's difficult for you guys. So I just want to help you out. If there is a problem, anything, let me know, and I will try my best to help you if it is possible. So
Sir, what is
सर तपाईले कुन चाहिँ स्कुल जानुभयो?
this is my school. Balaji Kathmandu. This is the school I studied. These are the type of application that I write. Okay, talking about the application. So you have already guessed the new chapter. What is our new chapter?
So you are roll number 129?
It's not me, it's Subham Nakarmi, but I was, yes, it's Yuvika's brother actually. I wrote this like when Yuvika's brother was in class 5 or 6, 5 or 4, 5, and I write it that.
Sorry, this is yours?
This is my school, but the name is Yuvika's name. Yuvika, how is your brother? I just remember.
Sir, he is roll number 129. Sir, he is roll number 129. It's 129. Oh my God, so many people.
Yes, there were
Sir,
11.
what is it to ask for 1 day sick leave?
Okay, I am not going to say anything, not going to talk about this before I tell you what is application. So I'm just going to skip this part and write a bit.
Sir, he is 129 roll number is.
So before I start, so applications, what do you guys know about this?
Sir,
What are
this is
applications?
Application apps.
Sir, the place where kind of letter.
application भने सरलाई टोकन चाहियो भनेर लेख्ने लेटर.
Okay, before you guys start going any further, I just want to mute everyone. If there is nothing related to talk, please don't say it right now. You may say it later. Rest of us. Yes. Yes.
के भन्छ रे स्कुलको त्यो बोर्डमा टाँसिरहेको तिनीहरुलाई नि एप्लिकेसन भन्छ.
Okay, I will let you know what it is and then you decide it is or not. I will tell you what application exactly is. So, letters, right? We write letters, a written form of message you write to someone. their mother, their father, you write it to friends. So those are called letters, written messages. So application is also a written message, but these are official letters. These are not personal letters where you write about feeling and emotions, like, how are you, khana khanu bhayo, all that. You don't write that. You write for official purpose. कुनै काम गराउनु पर्यो अफिसमा, कोहीलाई केही कुरा भन्नु पर्यो, तर officially, not like, brother, sister, or friends kind of application. Application means a letter written officially. So एउटा अफिसमा एउटा पोस्टमा भएको मान्छेलाई you're going to write a letter for him to do something. You're not going to say खाना खानु भयो सर. You're just going to say, I want this is the situation, this is why I'm saying this, and you're just going to reason with him. You're not going to say anything personal or emotional. So these are the letters where you don't write anything personal or emotional, and you are very formal. You just say what you need to say, and then you give reasons why, and then if you have anything else to say about that reason, you say it, and after that you say thank you, I'm looking forward for the positive response or something like that, and you end your letter. So these are those kind of letters, and these are very important, right? Because they have legal value. Legal value means तपाईले यदि कसैलाई केही भन्नु भयो भने एप्लिकेसन, तपाईले कसैलाई केही भन्नु भयो भने तपाईले भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ नि मैले त जिस्केर भने. But if you write it in an application, in a legal letter, त्यो लेटरमा लेखेको कुरा you cannot say I was joking. Whatever you have written, you have to put a signature and it will have a legal value. त्यसको मतलब तपाईले त्यहाँ लेखेको चीजले तपाईलाई पुलिसले आएर समात्न सक्छ, and it's legal value. So what I'm saying is त्यसलाई चाहिँ a true statement तपाईले भनेकै कुरा भनेर लिइन्छ. So there is no joke in application, right?
त्यो जब रिक्वेस्ट पठाउनलाई नि त्यस्तै गर्छ है.
Yes. So anything official कामहरु केहीको लागि पनि you need to write application. Okay? So that is what an application is. Yes. Yes. And you have, when you write those applications, you cannot just say, call and say, sir, aaj malai bida chahiyo. You have to write an application, because if someone comes and tells you, tyo din kina naako, kina bida deko, like, he can show that application. That application has a value. He can use it as a proof, evidence for something. So these letters are not joke, right? So you need to follow the rules while writing this letter. तपाईले अरु लेटर्सहरु लेख्दाखेरि मन परि लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ, कहीं के गर्न मिल्छ, but while you're writing application you have to follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules, your application will not be taken seriously, it will be rejected, and you have to write it again. So you have to follow the rules, and there are certain rules that you need to follow while writing application. Yes, what did you say, Srinimesh?
Sir, disadvantage of application.
Yes, I will tell you. There are certain places where you need to write certain things. To त्यही लेख्नुपर्छ, त्यसरी नै लेख्नुपर्छ. So I will let you know all of those things. And I'm just going to say one more thing. I need to teach you this before first term, because in first terms, so many people had to write application because they didn't have enough tokens. They need to write application asking credit token for Suman sir. But because of my mistake, I didn't teach you there. It's not like mistake I wanted to do, because there were so many things, so many chapters that I was teaching. I forgot totally about that. You guys are not taught application in class 3. Otherwise, in class 5 students, I've already taught them. So I just thinking like, you guys also know how to write application. Then I realized you don't know. So I'm sorry for that. I am sorry to I'm saying this to Samarpan, Onir, these people who don't know how to write application. I completely forgot that you are not taught how to write.
No, Samartha, not Samarpan.
Oh, Samartha, sorry. So that being said, so I'm going to start the rules now, okay? So whatever I'm going to write next, this is going to be the part of application. So at first, this application is written at a date. Right? So this date is written on the top right. So this date needs to be correct and totally official date. यहाँ तपाईले मनलाई अनुसारको लेख्न मिल्दैन, मदर्स डे, फादर्स डे जस्तो हुन्छ नि, दशैं तिहार जस्तो डेट लेख्न मिल्दैन. Official 05 आज कति गते हो? 7 8 9 7 8 9 9, let's say 9. Okay. Okay, yes, English ma I also, but let's write this. So this is 5th month, 9 gate. So this is the date.
So no, at
10 gate. Okay, whatever it is, you need to write the date on which you have written the application. जुन दिन तपाईले त्यो application submit गर्न लाग्नु भएको छ, त्यो application त्यो दिनको date. अब date भयो है. This is important है. If you miss date, तपाईले application मा date लेख्नु भएन यहाँ माथि भने तपाईको application तपाईलाई फिर्ता हुन्छ. यो कहिले लेखे. So you don't, this, every one of these rules are important.
Sir, application ma date of birth pani लेख्नु पर्छ.
नो इट्स डिपेन्ड्स तपाईँले के को लागि त्यो एप्लिकेसन लेख्या हो तर त्यो एप्लिकेसन लेखेको दिनको डेट चाहिँ चाहिन्छ दिएको दिन लेखेको भन्दा पनि सबमिसनको दिन अब कसलाई लेखेको एप्लिकेसन टु भनेर कसलाई लेखेको एप्लिकेसन तपाईँले यो त्यो मान्छेको नाम लेख्ने होइन वी आर नट नेभर राइटिङ द नेम अफ द्याट पर्सन त्यो मान्छेको नाम त्यो मान्छेको थर चाहिँदैन त्यो मान्छे को हो त्यो मान्छेको पोस्ट हाउ वाट इज द पोस्ट अफ द्याट पर्सन इफ यु राइटिङ इट टु सुमन सर यु विल द प्रिन्सिपल डोन्ट राइट
सर मिनिस्टरलाई भन्यो भने मिनिस्टर लेख्ने
oh yes to the health minister yes like that never write like you know
best friend लेख्ने हो
best friend like no you don't write application to best friend तपाईले application best friend like application लेख्ने
the friend sir the friend लेख्ने हो
no yes maybe लेख्नु भएन तर I'm just letting you know कि application friends and relatives अब ठेगाना yes अब
best friends छोटा चाहिँ के लेख्ने
I will let you know फ्रेन्ड्स लाई कहिले पनि एप्लिकेसन लेख्दैन किनभने एप्लिकेसन इज अफिसियल त्यहाँ हाई हेलो हुँदैन फ्रेन्ड्स लाई त हाई हेलो हुन्छ फ्रेन्ड्ससँग त कुराकानी हुन्छ अफिसियलमा कुराकानी हुँदैन वी जस्ट से यो भयो यो चाहियो त्यसैले चाहियो एन्ड देन यु इन्ड इट दिस इज अफिसियल है यु एप्लिकेसन टु फ्रेन्ड मदर फादर हुन्छ नाउ टिचरलाई पनि हुन्छ अब यो प्रिन्सिपल लेखेपछि कुन स्कुल यदि यहाँ तपाईले प्रिन्सिपल लेख्नु भएको छैन मेयर लेख्नु भएको छ भने कुन चाहिँ म्युनिसिपालिटी मिनिस्टर लेख्नु भएको छ भने कुन चाहिँ मिनिस्ट्री त्यो मान्छेले काम गर्ने ठाउँको नाम प्रिन्सिपल कुन स्कुलको त स्कुल तपाईहरुको लागि यो है अब अरु कुनै स्कुलको मान्छेको लागि अरु कुनै स्कुलको नाम अब यो स्कुलको ठेगाना कुन ठाउँमा छ यो स्कुल बनेपा लास्ट टाइम आई चेक इट 8 comma you can write Kavre or you can write
6
it's 8 now and then full stop please remember है मैले यहाँ कमा लेखिरा छु यहाँ पनि कमा लेखिरा छु लास्टमा फुल स्टप लेखे is that okay or you want to give डिटेल मा लेख्नु छ भने यहाँ थुनला लेखे पनि हुन्छ तर इट्स ओके दिस मच इज ओके काभ्रे पलाञ्चोक लेख्नु
सिनागाल मार्ग लेख्दा हुन्छ के
Okay.
काभ्रे
Full stop.
पलाञ्चोक सर sir but
Name-
why did you write it
name of our district this is name of our district now कसलाई लेख्ने लेख्यो है so this is to whom मैले कसको लागि लेखे I have written that now के को बारेमा what is the subject of this letter subject of this letter भनेको यो लेटर मैले के को बारेमा लेख्न लाग्यो subject so I may be asking for 1 day leave मलाई बिदा चाहियो for sick leave not holiday भनेको सबैले बिदा पाउने दिनलाई होलिडे भन्छ सैटरडे इज अ होलिडे तपाईलाई बिदा चाहियो भने त्यसलाई होलिडे भन्दैन यु कॉल इट लीव होलिडे भनेको सबैको बिदा भएको दिन okay get that difference never say I need a holiday will be for everyone subject लेखेपछि now you start a letter now you all of this all of this, yes what
why is your subject sir yes subject number 6
sick leave means बिदा को लागि sick भनेको बिरामी leave means बिदा so this is for बिरामी बिदा if you are sick and
sir बिदा भयो sir यो बिदा भयो sir like it's हाले holiday लियो for 6 मा
म्याम त्यो के सर के भन्छ त्यो फेस्टिभलको कारण गर्यो भने चाहिँ